Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 2, number system. In this number system, we have four types of the number system here. Number 1, this is our decimal number system. Second is our binary number system. And third is our octal number system. Then number 4 is a hexadecimal number system. In binary number system, we have a base 10. We are using 0 to 9 digits in the decimal number system. And in binary number system, we are using only 2 digits 0 or 1. Base is 2. And in octal number system, we are using digits from 0 to 7. Then base is 8. Then next is our hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, here is you have seen 0 to 9 digits, total 10 digits we are using in decimal number system. But for 10, and we are using also alphabets in this hexadecimal number system. So we are using A for value 10, B for 11, and C for 12, D for 13, and E for 14, F for 15. Now next is our how we can convert here decimal number system to binary number system. In our early classes we have done LCM, but we are using in LCM different numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But in decimal number to binary number, because binary base is 2, so we are using here only digit 2. Okay, so simple here 2, then 25, left is 12, then left 1. Okay, now next is 2 6 divide by 2, then answer is 0. Then again 3 divide by 2, answer is 0. And next is our 3 divide by 2, here is left 1. Okay, then again 0 here. Then we have to write answer from here. This is our most significant digit, and this is our first is our least significant digit. So now here is 25 is a decimal number, and we changed the 25 into a binary number. Okay, next is our decimal number system to binary number system. Here is given you here 1010. This is a binary number. We will change here with a decimal number. Now start here. This is our first digit, so always power 0. Okay, we use only here 2 because this is a binary number. Okay, then power increased by 1. Our next digit 1, then here is power 2 raised to power 1. And next is 2 raised to power 2. And next is 2 raised to power 3. Okay, then solve this and then calculate. After calculation we get here 10. This is our decimal number. Same in octal number we are doing here with 2. In octal number base 8, using 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, 8 raised to power 2. Okay, this is our digit on the units place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, then here is 8 raised to power 2 multiply with 3. Okay, then calculate this. After calculation we can get this 2 to 9 is a. Next is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, here is given you here question 3b basis 16. You have to convert this in your decimal number system. Okay, then 3b. Okay, first this is our b for digit 11. So we are using here b 16 raised to power 0 and power increased. Okay, 6 raised to power 1. Okay, now 16 raised to power 1 multiply 3 plus b means 11. Okay, 16 raised to power 0 multiply 11. Then after calculation we get 59 and base is 10. These questions we will discuss in our Zoom class also. We will practice on these questions. Okay, thank you students.